Deepika is a great friend of yours, and she's been commenting.
No, I never said that she's a friend of mine, but okay.
But you've
Okay, hi, how are you doing? We meet up after Ranjana. How are you doing? Very well. And okay, this is your mic. And this is yours. It's all on. Okay, first of all, who's more nervous between both of you? The gentleman or the lady? It's released today morning.
I don't think we're nervous. We're getting really good response.
Yeah, you're getting good response. The critics have loved it. There was a special screening. Everybody's appreciated the movie, you.
Yeah.
And sir, how is it feeling to be in India? Feeling good?
It's feeling great. You're asking a bit too late in the day now. It's been 12 months.
You've been here for a long time?
Yeah, I've been here for a long time, but it just feels like home.
It just feels like home.
Yeah.
Okay, so which is the most difficult scene between both of you in the movie? Quickly. Anything from the movie right now you remember? What comes to your mind?
Really,
She's laughing away.
Nothing really that difficult, I'd say.
Do you mind if I sit down?
Yeah, sure. You can please take your seats. And we'd just like to let you know, Sonam, Reliance Trends has brought in their new autumn-winter collection. It's in the store. And we'll...
Do I get some of it?
Yeah, the bosses have to sign on those bills. Disney's Khoobsurat. It's on. All the best. And now I'm going to the session where the media gets to talk to all of you.
Awesome.
So we'll move on to the questions from the press. I'll be up with us. And please raise your hands, introduce yourself, or the organization where you're from, also the organization where you're from, and please, you can ask your questions. The mic will be passed on to you. Please raise your hands and we'll be glad to pass the mic to you.
Hi.
So, film release हो गई है.
हाँ जी.
सबसे best compliment जो है अब तक क्या मिला आप दोनों को? Like आज अगर सुबह की बात की जाए तो.
I think predominantly मैं बहुत reviews पे बहुत मायने रखती हूँ, and I think getting generally positive feedback, especially for a film which is a rom-com, and you know how boys are, they look down on chick flicks when they're liking it. So I'm quite excited कि predominantly हमें अच्छे reviews मिल रहे हैं. It's a very rare thing for a film like Khoobsurat.
So a lot of Khoobsurat comments coming in, reviews coming in.
Hi ma'am.
Hi.
My name is Srishti. I'm from 9XM.
Hi, Shrishti.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask that you look gorgeous and
Thank
you are
you.
a hero of this movie.
Thank
so
you.
It's the question also for
Fawad.
Fawad,
Yeah.
sir, that you have a prominent role. So in comparison, why we always have an Indian actor more prominent than a Pakistan actor?
Pakistani actor.
Yeah, Pakistani actor.
I think we keep questions to
No, it's
this is
fine.
a movie. And
Fawad, do you want to answer that question?
You're
It's
saying
okay.
that the Indian actor having a more prominent role. Well, I think they weren't really putting that on the table. कि यार ये Indian है, इसको ज़्यादा prominent करो, ये Pakistani ज़्यादा prominent. It's the story, and I think it's the, as I've always said in the interviews, is the woman who saves the day. So all the power goes out to the women out there. Huh?
Thank you.
Hi Sonam.
Hi.
So you said that Rekha would be the first one to watch this
She
film.
saw it.
Yeah. So what review she gave you?
She said that she loved the film, and she said that every time she thought I don't like to praise myself, guys. This is very uncomfortable doing it. No, but she really loved the film. She loved my performance, and she was very proud of Ria and me. And I'm going to keep it to that. I'd rather not say exactly what she said. I find it a little tacky, but I think she loved the film.
And Fawad, what review did she give for you?
What review did?
Yeah, I mean, what did she say about your acting and your performance?
Kiran Kher ji.
No, Rekha ma'am.
Rekha ma'am.
Yeah.
Rekha ma'am से मेरी मुलाकात नहीं हुई.
Yeah.
I don't think she has my number either.
I'll give it to her. I'm sure she'll love to have it.
But what we've heard from her have been very encouraging remarks.
Alright.
And I personally think that, Sonam and especially Kiran Kher ji, Ratna Pathak ji, they've took it to the next level altogether.
Alright.
And when I saw it yesterday, I was just completely like,
You know,
wow.
you saw it the first time yesterday, right, Fawad?
First
And I have
time,
not
yeah.
seen the film before that.
That's nice. All the best to you
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
बाद एंड सोनम जयपुर भी गए थे आप लोग
हाँ
अपनी
जी।
फिल्म के प्रमोशन के
हाँ
लिए
जी।
तो वहाँ का कैसा रहा ट्रिप और कैसा था वहाँ का प्रमोशन पहले तो जानना चाहिए
जयपुर में बहुत बहुत ही मज़ा आया हमें मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब थी एक्चुअली जयपुर के ट्रिप के दौरान तो मैं थोड़ी चुपचाप थी उधर पर जयपुर जाने में बहुत मज़ा आता है यूजुअली मैंने बहुत सारी फिल्में उधर शूटिंग की है वहाँ and so we had a great time हमने we did a press conference at the Amrapali store and then we did our one-on-ones and everything and we've shot there before and we stayed at the same hotel that we stayed during Khoobsurat shooting so it's brought back great memories
Brought
no
back great memories, yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं, I think बहुत ज़्यादा warm welcome मिला था वहाँ पे. It was a full house even before a show. Everyone showed up और इतना warm reception और इतना प्यार इतनी मोहब्बत मिली वहाँ पे even from the media group everyone. So the trip to Jaipur I think was amazing.
सोनम हमने सुना कि ज्वेलरी वेडिंग भी कुछ परचेस किया वहाँ पर जाकर
हाँ जी
वेडिंग ज्वेलरी भी कुछ
नहीं मैंने ऐसे मैं जैसे स्टेटमेंट्स देती हूँ ना लाइफ में मैंने सिर्फ ये कहा कि अगर मेरी शादी होगी
हाँ
तो
Yes.
तो मेरे फ्रेंड मेरी ज्वेलरी वो डिजाइन करेंगे मैंने ऐसे कह दिया तो they were like are you buying a wedding jewelry right now I was like अगर कुछ अच्छा लगे तो मैं ले लूंगी बट मैंने सिर्फ सिल्वर आर्म कफ्स और वो सब लिया
तो हम ऐसा माने ना कि तैयारियां चालू कर
नहीं अच्छे तैयारी चाह रही मैंने कुछ बोला नहीं है बहुत दूर है शादी ओके
Okay. With us, how do you find the collection here at Reliance Trends?
I think it's awesome and I like all the stuff and I told you I want a voucher as well do I get one can I get a voucher as
I hope
well
so. He's there.
yeah.
Okay, so some more shopping on the card.
Yes, obviously. I'm always up for shopping.
Okay. And any tips for the girls to look more khoobsurat?
I think just be yourself. As long as you're yourself, you will look khoobsurat. So that's all. And
that's
shop.
coming in. Anything for the guys? Fahad?
Anything for the guys?
Yeah.
Fall in love
Shopping.
with khoobsurat girls.
For looking handsome in the...
No, I'd say just be yourselves and stop being obnoxious.
Who's obnoxious, Fawad?
Really, I'm just kidding.
They're all
Guys, I think guys here I've seen are just as down to earth, just keep a good track of your hygiene. I guess that's all. That's all I can say. You guys are amazing. Thanks for having us here, and you're all very beautiful people. Thanks.
Okay, we also have one more lucky draw winner. She shopped here at Reliance Trends and she is there on stage. She gets to meet and greet both of you here.
Hi.
The South India's number one. That's right, India's number one fashion destination. Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you.
And one last set of photographs. We'd like to ask a few of. Yeah, one more question coming in. Okay.
This is about an extension of what Fawad just said, and Sonam, if you could also comment. It's
Yeah.
not connected, to the event directly, but the fact that, Deepika is a great friend of yours, and she's been commenting.
No, I never said that she's a friend of mine, but okay.
But you've been, you've known each other.
yeah, she's a colleague.
You've
Yeah.
known each other, your colleagues, and the fact that she's been, a little enraged about this whole thing about her pictures getting carried in newspapers, and she's
Yeah.
also commented on Facebook. And you just said, Fawad, that it's high time that a lot of people stopped being obnoxious. So, any comments? Any comments? Just in support for your media.
Well, as
colleague?
long as women stop objectifying themselves, people will stop objectifying them.
Right. And Fawad, what do you say?
Well, to be very honest, I don't know much of what has happened. And I'd love to sit down with you later and learn about it. But again, in short, if there's something to be said, I think everyone should just be who they are. And whatever they feel like doing, they should do. No one should stop them.
Sure. Thanks.
Yeah.
We'll have have a few of
That
our...
answered your question. No, that's more than enough. I think we've spoken so much on it already. That's what I said. People have to respect themselves first for people to respect them. I hope that answers your question very smartly. Thank you.
Okay, and